And Viacom has been recovering.
I forgot about that stock. I was gonna take a look at it a couple days ago and I forgot.
I mean, it's not hiking like everything else, but I mean, it's recovering at least. There you are.
There we are. Yep.
There you are. There we are. Yep. All right. Muted my speakers.
SAVA 56
Oh, it's bouncing back.
on that 4 hour today. If this plays out perfectly, we should see 60 range again. Hopefully, it doesn't get rejected at 60.
Yeah, people that bought at that range will be happy. I don't
Oh,
know
absolutely.
I don't know I don't know who bought in at that range, but people will be happy if they see it bounce back up.
We're looking for
I don't
70 on this bad boy.
So I don't think it'll get back up to the 110s now. They're going to have to come out with some good news on that phase three, and that's 90 days out minimum.
Mm-hmm. Good on Kyoto. Kyoto bird, chicken. Just got on Hurricane, tore us up. Let's go on
Yeah, y'all
King.
got no power out there. You got a generator. You having problems getting gas?
Have you seen Amazon stock lately?
Me? No.
It's been killing it. It's been doing good. Let's see Apple. 153 pre-market.
For everybody that goes over to Marantz's after this, don't count on it today. He's not doing good, and the doctor wouldn't see him yesterday. They're not going to see him until tomorrow, so he's going to be offline, not streaming today. So uh, Ralph was kind enough to step up and volunteer to stream
Yeah,
bell
right.
to bell for the next week.
Rob's trolling me today.
Of course. Does the day end in
Z-
Y? You bet.
Zoom falls 15% at open. Really? Let's take a look.
Well, hell, they were down like
Oh,
20 or 25% pre-market.
damn, Zoom stock did tank. This might be a good dip at 250s.
It could be. It just depends on how bad Delta, Gamma, Lambda, and all these other freaking variations get.
There's gonna be
Um,
look at that gap here on the chart. It's
court,
insane.
courts are going back to doing Zoom videos. Yeah, look at that gap. That's going to have to fill. But courts are going back to doing Zoom videos and no longer in person. So I mean, if the courts start shutting down and like mortgage companies start doing Zoom again for, well, considering housing market's kind of tight right now.
Hmm.
But anyway, Zoom could come back up, should come back up. I mean, the only reason they lost money is because their forward-looking statement kind of indicated we're not going to see as much activity as we were before.
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
definitely
PRG,
gonna.
hang on. I'll link you to some of his previous videos so that you can. I'll link you to his channel.
I'm
But
interested in this.
he's a very interesting fellow. He he tends to well, you'll see. There
I love
you go,
Marantz.
BRG.
Look at this. Zoom is at 288 right now, right? The last time on the daily around the 4 hour we're at 270 range. So I'm gonna be patient. 270s is where we're gonna enter on this bad boy. Salva is still moving up. 5650. Hit 57.
If BRG, if you are a AMC long, you're probably not gonna like him. But if you're a GME long, or you just like to talk about football, rap artists, Kyoto, help me out here. What else does he talk about?
The Cowboys.
Yeah, Cowboys and how they're gonna go 17-0. Let's see. Man, yeah, anything under the sun, except for maybe the price of rice in China, he's likely to touch on it. But he's fun.
Salva above 57 again.
Go, baby, go.
Let's go. It keeps getting rejected at 57.
I will bet you money if it gets back up into 60 to 70 range, there will be another complaint, another article trying to come out and drive them into the ground.
Well, there's another Gapsicles on this one too. Above 57 again. We're going for 60 today. That's what we're looking for. Come on, baby. All right, I'm gonna try to
Oh,
forget about SAVA. All right, let's go
and
back to.
BRG. Go ahead, Ralph.
Oh, I was
I
just
won't
gonna go back
interrupt
to
you.
AMC. That's it. Because AMC's about to hit
Okay.
a new high too.
BRG, he's a lot like Ralph. He doesn't take donations, and if somebody is foolish enough to send him money, he turns around and buys GameStop stuff. He'll raffle it off, or not so much raffle, but he'll do a trivia question, and whoever answers first gets a shirt. I think somebody's getting a long sleeve pullover. I think now this next coming in the next week or so. I think he just bought it last night.
That's interesting. Like take donations and then just like at the end of the week, just raffle it out
Yeah,
with trivia questions. That'll be an
yeah,
interesting concept.
yeah. I mean, you did. I mean, you raffled
New
off
high.
stuff you were being sent. So it's just like he doesn't want the money. He's just there to bullshit around and have a good time.
That's all it's about, man.
It
GameStop
is.
is pushed. GameStop should see a new high as well. What's going on? AMC just hit 40, 45. What's squeezing today? I don't know. I think people are just hopping on this again. Said in yesterday's video, man, it's gonna rip. 46. We probably could see 50s. I'm being honest, 50s. 46. We're back. We're so close to 48 too. Maybe 48 today. What was the other one yesterday? BBGI. That was another
Yeah,
one.
BBIG.
Oh, BBIG. There we go. Ouch. This one's coming down. Let's set an alert sub 550s. Not gonna buy. I just want to see where the stock ends up at. Sprt support actually coming down as
Uh,
well. 33.
really, Support's selling off again
Yeah.
after all the talk this morning on CNBC about how it's ripping.
They
Oh my goodness.
they talked about this, but not GameStop. Neuro was another one. There was actually hit a new low as well. And for some, oh okay, I thought I got halted. Let's see, how's Tesla doing? Eh. Apple. Wah.
Yeah, it's kind of a lame duck right now.
I mean, it
Uh,
hit 153 though.
yeah, GSAT also kind of leveled off and started a little bit of a downtrend now.
The hype kind of cooled off on this one too.
Yeah, I mean it was a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing.
Yep. Just listen to Core's show SPRT and then avoid answering a question about his position on it. Pump and dump. These guys made so much money on that stock with
Oh,
shares or options. They're not gonna talk about it because literally it was a pump and dump.
Ralph, did you read what I sent you in Marantz last night, or
Let's see.
about Coors?
I did. What was it? That big paragraph? The
Well, I don't know. I
CRSR?
normally type in paragraphs.
CRSR?
Yeah, it was regarding CRSR.
Don't tell me he was pumping that.
Oh yeah, he pumped it yesterday.
Is that Corsair? CRSR? Corsair? Yeah, it is. Corsair
Corsair
Gaming.
Gaming. Yeah,
Weren't they supposed to partner up with GameStop like a while back?
dude,
It was a
there's
rumor.
so many
It
rumors.
was a rumor. Keep in mind, yeah.
But that's a Corsair Gaming is a bet, online betting place. It's not a gaming. It's not e-gaming.
A lot of the online gambling websites are actually getting exposed. Like, I'm not sure if you guys have heard of Roobet. Roobet. I don't think it's available here in the US either. They got exposed on TikTok. Zoom's actually kind of bouncing here, but I'm gonna be patient. For those of you who don't know, Zoom tanked from yesterday. We were at 345, right around that level into market close, and now we're at 290s. The low on the 4 hour on the daily, we're looking at 270s. So I'm gonna be patient to see if it actually does keep on pulling back to 270s. Hopefully it
You
doesn't
might get
bounce
that.
before that. Hopefully it doesn't bounce before that. Because I already learned the lesson on SAVA. Just be patient. SAVA's actually still above 57. I'm actually looking for this one to hit 60s today. There's still that gap to close here at 70. Hopefully it doesn't get rejected here at 60 today. AMC, we're still at 45, 60. Not bad. Wait till the SEC gets cores. I don't think they're gonna get them.
Well, if he bought in last week, and see, here's the thing: you needed to read that paragraph to understand what happened. If he bought in last week, and then yesterday during his live stream, he says, "Oh, I'm going to go ahead and put this on my watch list." And I swear to you, within just a few minutes of him saying that, uh, he somebody told him, or he popped up in a Benzinga article as him putting it on his watch list. But if
What
he
the?
bought the week before, and then he starts talking about, "Oh, I'm going to put this on my watch list," yeah, they're going to fucking nail him.
Oh, that's.
They're going to get him.
I mean, I'm sure he realizes the influence he has, right? So at that point, if you want to be sneaky and think, oh man, if people are gonna,
Exactly, because if he did it if he did it that route, he's just walked right into a manipulation charge.
the only time I've ever seen a couple of YouTubers or chat rooms get like caught up is just one situation with I think it was called ragingbull.com. There was a couple of guys on there that were promoting them making like so much money off the markets, and it turns out they actually investigated them and their actual brokerage, and they actually were losing money. So they were saying they were making millions, and they were actually losing money in the market, and they were making like
But they,
300K a month off of memberships, and that's
yeah,
the
but then
only time they got
I'm guessing
exposed.
they were being paid. Paid subscribers were taking their advice. I guess
I don't think
possibly.
they were front running stocks, but they were just it was just false promotion.
Yeah. Well,
That was quick.
see,
BBIG just tanked. Look at this. We had another at 555, and look at this. At 553, it's down 21%.
well, class. I mean, that's a classic pattern for the pump and dump.
Yep.
Anybody that got in on that late, they better be exiting now, because it looks like it's going to come all the way back down.
Matt Kors got to love his integrity. He's promoting 3 stock apps and 4 crypto apps. It's like a food critic who gives 5 stars for every restaurant that pays him.
I mean, Ralph, I got to tell you, this is why I respect you and Moranci. I'll just like, yeah, whatever.
It's just like whatever's. I always kept it real. Like the whole Webull, I used to get free stocks, but I always told you guys like I don't even use Webull. Like I've used them like for like 3 trades and that's it.
Now you got a question on Litex and Spurt.
Oh, oh, you guys hear about PayPal by the way?
Yeah,
What's the
yeah.
Ortex
You
data? All
know,
right, let's go to the Ortex data on.
the question is, seeing as how the news came out about, oh, I don't know, hey, pay for order flow, it's still on the table for being banned. How is even though you'd sit there and say PayPal, was going to go into competition with Robinhood, what would they do now?
I don't think they'll be successful. Oh, Phoenix is 73% short interest for support on Ortex
As of 2 days ago.
as of 2 days ago, and AMC's is at 17%, I believe, 17.3%.
Yes, I mean, I'm getting Robert Boker came over yesterday, and that's why I ended up pulling up Matt Kors, because he was sitting there talking about how he's watching some skinny guy, and I initially thought that he was talking about
Trey,
um, Trey, but then I remembered Trey's not doing live streaming anymore, so
I
we
heard
figured
about
out
that.
that
Did he
it was
stop?
from what I understand. Yeah, I don't watch him, but. Yeah, I mean, you and Morant are the only two I watch, and other than that, I go to Brad's. Just basically, it's just a chart and music site. There's no commentary. There's a live chat, but it's just stuff to keep me occupied while I'm reading other things. Like I'm trying to read the Dodd-Frank Act right now, and God, I wish I hadn't started.
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, yeah, he came over, and we were sitting there talking while it had Coors playing in the background, and Coors sat there and talked about how he was dropping GME and AMC from his watch list, and I went, "Wait, what?"
No
And so I had to,
way.
yeah, well, I had to run it back, and that's when I found out about him adding CRSR to his watch list. And then shortly thereafter, he pulls up the Benzinga article where it says that he's added CRSR to his watch list. And I'm like, oh shit. And I didn't catch up. I didn't catch when the article was published, but I mean, it was so close to when he said it. It was hilarious. I think he was set up. I think he walked right into it.
Huh. That I don't know. That's very rare for them to do that. I don't think he would say that. That he would just.
Well, see, then that's why I basically told y'all about it, you and Marantz. I was like, I don't know if you've got guys telling y'all things or giving y'all tips, but I said, basically saying, be careful who you listen to and what you say, because I honestly think that hedge funds and, I think there might be people out there trying to discredit YouTubers, even though they discredit themselves most of the time. But, you two I like and respect. So I was just saying, hey, be careful.
Remember that one time LA Times reached out to me and they said they wanted an interview and I was just like, no, thank you.
Yeah.
That's just the way I always played it. I just didn't really care about anything. I didn't want to just be on the face of it. I was just doing me, you know. I never
Yeah.
really wanted to be on freaking CNBC. I could have probably, if you think about it, could have probably ended up with Charles Payne. But
No, because he likes AMC. He very rarely,
no, that's what I'm saying. But if I
acknowledges
went that route of just
me.
if I went
Oh
that
yeah,
route of just falsifying and just lying to people,
right.
just to be on the just obeying money off of YouTube and whatnot. Morantz will punch Gensler in the face if the SEC try and go for him. When did Trey stop streaming? I don't know, to be honest. I think it was after the 70 run up. You guys know what I'm saying. I always say I think they sold into that run up. There's nothing wrong with that.
Other than you pump it and then it starts running up after you've already bought in. No, that's manipulation. When you've got 100,000, 400,000 people watching you, that's a hell of an influence.
Absolutely.
Especially after they've proven themselves, on AMC that they're going to hold, until their great grandchildren are dead.
JD guys, Ortex on SPRT 73%, 73.48%. The stock is pushing back up 36. The one that's not pushing up, but I think was BBIG. $6. AMC pulling back. We're still up 5%. JD still has 70% SI. Another stock that had high short interest was actually Big Five. I noticed Charles Payne commercials on Trey's channel. But I'm also just
Well,
kind of like,
Charles has had him on what, 2 or 3 times already? Of course he's going to put Charles Payne
for
on
some
there.
reason, I still think Charles Payne is a shill. Like he's, I think he's just undercover.
No, Charles.
I don't know.
Look, I like Charles Payne because he's the only one that went after Charlie Gasparino over on Fox. Everybody else on Fox, yeah, they keep bringing him on. Charles Gasparino is the biggest shill there is. He's a short hedge fund in and of himself. He hasn't liked GME or AMC ever since January.
Him and
And he,
Chanos are
so
probably
he,
the
he
worst
does
ones.
everything. Yeah. So, I mean, and Charles Gasparino was the only one to call him out back in, what was it, February, going, oh, really? Really? It squeezed already? Really? You know, it was, I respect Charles Payne, but the fact that he only really focuses on AMC is a little disappointing. but he's not, because he's not giving Ryan Cohen or even GME benefit of the doubt on being able to transform himself from a brick and mortar into an e-tailer.
Does he still mention the stocks, by the way? I know he has a couple of people from YouTube on there, but is he still like Payne? Is he still actively covering the
Um,
stocks?
I don't know. I haven't. I watch him only like once a week, and I mean, he's generally talking about the stocks of the day generally.
Mm. Because I think one time they went after him for no reason because he wasn't mentioning them. Oh, and he called Dave Portnoy a little beat. That was funny.
He did too. He did. I mean, Charles. That's why. I mean, I like Charles because he really does strike me as the retailers uh, defender on MSM.
The lack of coverage for GameStop is what makes me so bullish on it. Oh
I
yeah,
agree,
Rob
Garden.
watches CNBC. You keep up with CNBC consistently, right?
Well, yeah. After Charlie Gasparino and Fox Business kept bringing him on. I mean, daily, where he was just hammering on the meme stocks, and I just couldn't. I could not swallow Fox Business anymore. So at least I know what to expect out of CNBC, and it's actually kind of funny.
I feel like I should. I want to short Apple, but I don't think right now's the time. Let's see the heat map. Mm, whatever's. Still waiting for SAVA to pop 60. AMC still at 45, man. We're still doing good. Every time GameStop is brought up after March, Charles suddenly changes subjects or gets nervous. He is a show. I have my
I don't
doubts, man.
know.
I have my doubts. Anybody in a suit, I have my doubts. Ravenstown says I called out Payne on Twitter several times about no coverage on GameStop.
Oh my God, CNBC
Mm,
just let GameStop go across the crawler twice now.
no AMC on there?
Okay. No AMC, but GME, and I don't understand why they're letting GME go on there unless I don't see anything. Maybe it's because they're trying to not bring up the ones they've been pumping.
That are dumping?
Yeah, maybe that's why.
You said they were pumping BBIG yesterday, no? Or they covered it
Uh,
at least?
yeah, BBIG was going across the crawler, as was, and let's see who else was. Yeah, Spurt, and there was one other. Oh, there goes Spurt. Down 92 cents.
Let's take a look at PayPal.
Hey, Bob's jumping too. Jesus.
Like this was when the news broke out yesterday around 8:45. Look at that nasty rip. Baba? Yeah, I pulled the Baba earlier. So this is what I'm kind of expecting for on SAVA. You see how this is just nastily oversold here, all the way down to 150s.
Right.
I noticed how it came down to 150, like right on 150, that $half mark. And now it's kind of finding support here. Testing EMA on the daily. If this rips, we're probably gonna head to 180s. Same thing with SAVA. There's that gap to close, but it's still finding
Yeah,
support
if
around
Salva goes
50
to
level.
180s, we got. If Salva goes to 180s, we got a problem.
180s?
Yeah, well, you said same with Salva.
No, but same thing as it's finding support near the lows. $50. Notice how it's finding support at the same $half mark, 50. Hopefully it doesn't fall under 50 because if that happens, we're probably going to 30. Can you check AEHL and Ortex? Absolutely. Was it AEHL?
Where did I see that yesterday? Oh, wait, Eric, did you bring that up yesterday? And I went and looked at it or something.
Let's see.
Was it?
15% for that stock.
Okay.
Oh, Kyoto, that's exactly what I said as well. It was theater. It was all set up. I said that in the Discord when it happened. I'm like, what if Charles Payne hit up porno? He's like, Lino, let's get trending. Let me call you a little B
Well,
on. That's what I thought too.
technically, you and Morantz are on TV, so
Like I could hit up Mirage right now. Yo, let's start up some drama. Like let me call you out and just let's fake something and it could get views, you know?
well, he's monitoring. He's got it on.
Oh,
He's got it in the
he's
back.
hearing me up right now. Like that's what I thought with the situation was with Payne and Portnoy. And it was successful, man. People were talking about it. It was on Reddit, on Twitter. Because at the end of the day, if he gets views, he gets paid.
True.
Let's see what's trending on Twitter. The meme stock moment turns unofficially one. Welcomes new class of tickers. GameStop names here still hot, but the lesser meme names are being replaced by new class 1 year after Roaring Kitties, and then I don't want to click the article. They're probably gonna be talking about these other stocks we're talking about.
Of course.
Let's see what's trending.
I guarantee you, they're monitoring YouTubers. They're just looking for, you know, just anything. They're going to try and discredit YouTubers.
Solana is trending. Is Bitcoin rallying? Trending. NFL, nothing but NFL. Yeah, I'm not interested.
Oh, come on now.
Astro pranked Matt Kors yesterday through Super Chat comment. Who's Astro? Astro.
I don't know. Somebody else up here said Astro. Who the hell was it? Keith?
Astronaut. I don't know. I think I found him.
No, neuroscience brought it up.
I think I found him. AMC Cycle. Oh, it's not this guy then? Oh, he's like a Godpo 2.0. He does look like Godpo. No, like he does look like him. The hair and
Oh my
whatnot.
goodness. Oh no.
GameStop 217.
I don't know if anybody has paid attention to that the Reddit DD about the peak to peak measurements, and why they seem to think it's tied to uh shit. What am I thinking of? Equity
Derivatives?
total return swaps. But if you go look, it's exactly 60 days between each peak. And if that's the case, it falls on September 6th. But CME Group is closed on the 6th, so they're going to be closing out all contracts on the 3rd. So we might see the peak this week instead of next week.
It's like SPY, right? It's like every 19th of the month, it pulls
Yeah,
back.
yeah.
We plotted this on the DMA, on the daily moving average. So right around the same time of the month. So it's probably gonna hit like 460 before it pulls back in like 2 weeks or so. Uh-oh, GameStop just hit a new high. 219.
Oh,
Astro.
Moranch, just in case the trend stays true, just to let you know, Friday is the last day for trading those things or clearing those things out, those contracts out. So it might break. It just might break the trend of middle of the week being the high and Friday closing lower. It just might break it. Be interesting to see if it does break that trend.
I can't find this Astro guy you guys are talking about. What's going on, William? This time I miss you. I found your comment. I think Ethereum's rallying right now. Let's see. ETH price. It's up 8%, 3,400. He looks like the Chris Angel kind of. No, he does look a little bit like Godpill. GameStop 220. What was the high level time? 227? 228? Yeah, around that
When?
price.
Last
Like
week?
last week, yeah. The previous high, yeah.
220, 227.
Oh, this is gonna rip. 250s today? It's getting close. I think AMC might also retest 48. After 48, what's the next level of resistance?
Oh, that's
50.
right. AEHL was the Chinese tile company. Now, okay, that's all I needed to
To know.
trigger what it was.
Told Matt Course to check the ticker BDSM, supposed to be a joke or something with to get the laughy stream. Wait, what?
BDSM, bond. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
I know what it is, but what did he say about it? It's supposed to be a joke or something. Did he take it too serious? Gmail broke resistance. We broke 220s. Next level is for GameStop is 228. For AMC is 48.
Yeah, but it's pulling back. Oh my word.
I can't find the Astro guy, guys. What's his Twitter? His handle? I don't think it's this guy. I don't think it's this guy. Space Lover, Amateur Astronomer, Astro AM AMC to the Moon. Is this guy? I don't think so.
Unleash my drag just gave you his Twitter handle.
I don't see it.
There it is. I think David McCarthy actually
Oh,
just
there we
did
go.
give it to you. That guy, Astor, I think.
That guy, a
Astro.
store.
Astro.
Oh,
ASTRO.
he spelled it wrong. I'm sorry.
Typo.
Oh, there we go. Look, this is all I need to know about this guy. His
I'm
banner
afraid.
is this. What? What even is this?
You can't
I know
recognize
what
what
it is. I
that
know
is.
what it is, but
Oh, okay.
mm, Aaron follows him. What?
Are you
Yeah,
serious?
just imagine Adam Aaron clicking on this guy's Twitter and he just sees this. Like,
Oh my word. And Trey.
I'm already liking this guy.
Oh, good Lord. I wonder if he's just going to sit out there and troll. Do you think he just sits out there and trolls them maybe?
I don't know, but
Okay, guys, is he a hardcore AMC guy or is he just trolling them?
some people won't get his humor.
Phoenix, it's a ski slope on the side of two mountains. Really? He's a hardcore AMC guy. Okay.
You need to get Godpill and this guy on the same stream.
Oh, okay. Oh, but then he's oh man, he's a tadpole when it comes to Godpill because Godpill was going to make millions. I mean, Godpill made some really outrageous bets. Had he moved him out, a month or two, he would have been rolling in money.
Oh man, his call he would have made like 4 million, 4 to 5
Yeah.
million. I'm gonna follow this guy because you said he's a master troll. This guy's jacked. Is that him? Still waiting for my other arm and third leg to inflate.
Godpill, I heard was committed.
Oh yeah, yeah, that happened, right?
I think his family had him committed.
Then this guy tweets a lot. We've scrolled all the way down and we're just still at August 27.
Eric, sorry to do this to you, but I'm gonna delete that comment. That's unnecessary, partner.
How much did Godpill lose on those options? If I remember, I think he lost like
Didn't he start off
30K.
with like eight? Didn't he start off with like 800,000 and he ended up with
Oh
nothing?
yeah, well yeah, because he made a ton. He made like $1 million off of the first GameStop run up, if I'm not mistaken. And he lost all of that and was left with 80,000. I think from
And
that
some of
he
that money,
lost
and some of that money was
30,000
his sisters or his families.
because he had to borrow money. He said or something like that. But he was right on AMC though. It's just he got the wrong expiration date.
Yeah, he said he was going for weeklies instead of moving them out a month or two. Had he, like I say, had he moved him out a month or two, boy, it would have been a home run for him.
Moran said he's 12 minutes behind on the feed.
Yeah, I see that.
Damn, I missed a lot of the chats. What's going on? Everyone's just typing on out of nowhere today.
Well, it's because you're gonna be on bell to bell the rest of the week.
Yeah, right. Godfrey was legit nuts. Well,
The
I followed
moon
this guy. I followed
is
this guy.
something. Ragnar, use English, you wiener head.
Appreciate that, Damien. We're still looking at 45 for AMC. Let's go to SAVA. Hopefully, he's not tanking. Still holding 56. I believe. I believe. That's
See, David, I agree with David, Ralph. Come on, stream like the good old days.
good old days. It was like till 9, and then it'll be power hour.
Oh, bullshit. The good old days was bell to bell.
Nope, we never did bell to bell. We've done like
Yes,
two
you
bell to
did.
bells.
Oh, yes, you don't. Oh, how many remember bell to bell?
Look, I stream from 6 a.m. to 9, so 3 hours, and then I take a break and come back one in power hour. Remember that? You did bell
No,
to bell
there.
for months. You guys are crazy. How are you guys gonna tell me what I know I
Look,
did?
look at Garden Gnome.
You guys are trolling me.
No, we're
I,
not.
s- I never
You
did
did
bell to bell.
several bell to bells. Oh, yes, you did. You did like 2 or 3 weeks straight of bell to bell.
I don't think. No way.
Oh, yes, you did.
I know I did like 3 bell to bells, and that's it. I never did. I'd always take a break in between. I go to the gym. I do my stuff. See, Pam said I did bell to bell a few times. That was like 3 times. And you were with me one time, remember?
I was with you every time. I don't log off until you're done.
Kyoto says I didn't watch it, but even I know.
Colleen
Absolutely
remember.
not.
Colleen remembers. I mean, there's so many people saying you did do bell to bell. Oh yeah, there you go. Go undelete all the streams of bell to bells. I agree. I think he hid those. I think he made them private.
I had every stream.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I was unaware of that.
But usually I get a Discord message saying, "Hey, I didn't get to watch the or rewatch the stream. Can you unhide the video?" And I don't hide it. I can't wait to be retired so I can be more like Robert.
You don't want to be like me. You don't. It's boring as hell. I mean, my entertainment now is reading the
Reddit DD.
Dodd-Frank Act.
Reddit
I mean, come
DDs.
on.
Let's see.
Oh well, actually, those were Darth. Actually, I think he actually did do a bell to bell where Jay Powell came on after that,
And I
and
got
I mean, he
stuck.
actually went over.
Yeah. Those 3 occasional times were when something crazy was during the markets, like Powell, we had earnings or something like that, and I would Kathy Wood, we just usually stay. I'm like, it's 2 more hours, might as well just finish it. Yeah, quote unquote fans, right? All the
You better
people who
read what
backstab me.
Bad Back's got you. Bad Back has you. Went from never doing bell to bell. Now he's saying no more than 3 times.
We only do one
Here,
morning stream. That's it. That's it.
uh-huh.
I like how Garden put that in quotation. Fans. Hurricane, downgraded tropical storm, knocking out power in New Orleans. Let's go back to SAVA. Uh-oh.
Oh, Phoenix just nailed you too. The rigged giveaways.
Real men can go Battle Bell. They needed their confirmation bias, man. AMC's setting up nicely. I'm not gonna lie. It's right in the D,
Okay,
man. Look at that.
Gatsby, this is going to be real difficult. It's either going to go up, go down, or
Or
go
sideways.
sideways.
Trust me, bro. AMC's either
Yeah,
gonna go up today, it's gonna go down, or it might stay flat. That's my prediction.
yeah. There you go.
Yes, sir. You can't get any more PS5s. They're all sold out. Does GameStop have PS5s on their website?
For the
Oh, 60 minutes ago. PS5 restock update for GameStop, Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, Target, and more.
yeah, well, they're basically reserving them for their loyalty program members.
How much is that a month?
It's what, $10 a year, I think.
No way.
Yeah, like $10 or $15 for the hard membership.
Stock community are very bullish, expecting a big move. I'm saying 260 today or tomorrow. Any higher, I think we go past 350 this time. We're not looking too bad for GameStop or AMC right now. We're holding higher lows, which is always a great sign. We're close to
Angry Garden,
227, man. I agree with
Angry,
the 250.
Angry Garden Gnome corrected me. It's $20 a year.
And you get $5 coupons every month at GameStop. Nice. I saw some posts on Twitter saying that they were actually selling iPhones now, but I think if I remember, they sold iPhones before, no? I remember I used to go to GameStop all the time and they would have iPhones on a wall there. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. AMC
Weren't
oversold
they
them for.
weren't they refurbished or
Yes,
used or
yes.
something?
They trade him in. People would go in there and trade him in, I would assume. Don't the
Yes, Ravens
250K.
down. Those kick in tomorrow.
Do you think they
No,
will have any impact? I don't think so.
no, I don't think so.
None of the SEC rules ever had an impact, right?
I mean, well, they're going from 50,000 to 250,000 or something. I mean, it's nothing. In all honesty, the amount of money these guys have, it's nothing.
Let's go to Zoom. Let's go to Zoom. Let's go to Zoom. Ooh, it's coming down, man. It's gonna crack. Descending triangle, lower highs. I'm gonna be patient. It bounced from 288 to 290. I'm like, damn, I think I missed the bounce, but patience is gonna pay on this bad boy.
I mean, it might affect some of the smaller hedge funds, maybe, but I don't think they're stupid enough to be in this.
Full Metal, what's going on? Hey, good to join again. Not trying to troll you, just wondering if you are going to refund me from when your Discord was inactive but kept charging each month. Maybe when AMC goes up. I have no idea what you're talking about.
His
250K,
Discord has never been charged.
250K is pocket change to Citadel. Absolutely, the fees are ridiculous. You guys are dumb.
Full Metal, Ralph's Discord has always been free, so I don't know who you're thinking of.
He says good to join again. I think he's talking about the Nitro, the Nitro membership. You know how it's like $10 to get like the emojis and all that stuff.
William, do not do that.
Zoom
Marantz
coming
is
down.
Marantz is having fun. Leave him alone.
Oh, look at that AMC
William.
candle. 46. The higher lows are in play, baby. I think 48.
Oh, Phoenix may be right. Remember when you were getting all those fake Ralph things going on in your YouTube messages?
That was
Full
for
Metal,
that was for Bitcoin and crypto. That wasn't no Discord though. That was WhatsApp. There you go.
yeah, but there could have been another redirect to a fake Discord. I mean,
I
I never went.
I never
I
clicked on
never
the
went
links
to
because I
look.
was scared to like.
So I
Oh,
mean, Full Metal. I flat out tell you, Ralph has never charged for his Discord. Never. just like he doesn't charge for YouTube or your comments. He responds to just about everybody he can. So
The
I don't know
WhatsApp
where.
scammers were the worst. They're so annoying. You'd ban them and you delete their chats and they'd come back. I don't know how they did it.
Well,
Full
they
Metal.
would change they would change their IP address.
He says possible. I think Full Metal you might have bought the Nitro. It's like $5-10 a month, but that's Discord. That's to the guy get the emojis and whatnot. It's like to boost the server. It's this, right? Like I boost the server.
Alamo,
This.
stop.
See, it says boost at $3.49 a month, something like this.
Yeah, but I don't remember Full Metal being in the Discord, unless it was maybe your old Discord.
They probably have different usernames. Take a look at BBIG. Does that look like AMT on the 1 minute? Not really, because this one actually pulled back to a new low. AMC did not do that. AMC
Oh, that
actually
would be.
ran up. And it looks like it's about
Hey,
to rip right now, man. Look, Games is about to hit a new high. Why,
hey,
why are people
this
getting
guy,
hidden?
I don't know. William Williams is I don't know. William, why? Well, you'd have to ask William. Anyway, look at what Full Metal said. It was back in 2018.
2018? Is that when
Did you have a
Parker had the
Discord?
Discord? I had the one with
That
Parker.
okay? Well, then that might be it.
Oh, I'm.
And y'all lost that one for a long time,
I I
or
got I got my old Discord deleted, and I lost my privileges to the chat room that had like 30,000 members, and that was stolen. Parker never wanted to give me the privilege rights. He stole my Discord. He backstabbed the crap out of me. I don't know
and
if,
amp.
and it's still
That
active.
explains it. Okay.
I left that Discord. I was mad, and I was just like, man, I got backstabbed. I even emailed Discord like, what's going on? Like, this is my chat. Can I get? And they said no. Like, what the fuck?
All right. Hey,
It had a huge drop. Wait, what's going on with the people getting hidden? I'm trying to figure that out.
well, he unhit him too, but I don't know why he's doing it. You'd have to ask him.
Chat's going crazy this morning. What's going on? Great morning, R&R. The Rolls Royce.
Hey, Full Metal, here you go, partner. This is the new Discord. It is free, and you don't have to sign up for Nitro if you don't want to. But this is Ralph's new Discord. Morning, Robert.
GameStop's fine. Yep, we hit a new high. We're waiting for AMC to hit a new high. Let's see. Morgan Stanley, no. Zoom still cracking down. Tesla ripping.
What you want to join? You want to join the phone call, Marantz? If so, we need to call you back. We need to change over because this is just the one between Ralph and I.
I think I was actually gonna end the stream.
Maybe, hey, maybe you want to hear from Ralph. I mean, from Marantz, huh?
Oh yeah,
Maybe you
yeah.
want to hit
Let's go.
some.
Let's go. Let's switch it.
All right, let's switch.
I thought he wasn't gonna be willing to join. Wait, my thing froze. Give me 1 second. Switch it up. Switch
Let's
it up.
make a new catchphrase.
Go to the other one.
All right, we'll
The
do.
other. Yep. Here we go.
Good morning. Good morning.
Am I even connected? Holy hell. Oh, I'm fixing it. Hi, guys. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I
Oh
was
wait,
actually.
oh shit, you didn't want to join.
Full Metal says he's
Crap.
selling AMD call experts this week. Isn't AMD like roaring it? Isn't he killing it? Or is it
Do you
pulling
know
back
what's the
now?
worst part, Ralph? The worst part about
Hmm?
your stream is
It's delayed.
it gets me awake. It wakes me up, even when I say I don't want to do anything, and then I just want to jump in there. And it's like I shouldn't even watch. Like I should just sit out. But no, I love what GameStop's doing today. I think we'll test 240, 250.
Yeah.
Just remember that I think the peak will be Monday through Wednesday, and it'll sell off Thursday, Friday. So if you're going to buy either stock, if you're going to load up on more, I'm looking towards Thursday, Friday. That's just me. And I think I have enough dry powder to add a little more because I don't care where I buy. I buy at the top, I buy at the bottom. It doesn't matter at this point. So, but I love it. I don't even want to be on the chat too much because you guys are doing a great show. But love you guys. Keep killing it, and I'm doing terrible. Thanks for asking.
Oh, I know you're doing bad. Get back to get back to resting, sir.
I think he wants to stream.
No,
No, he
Rob,
does. No, he does not need to stream.
I do
No.
not. I did a little video last night. I couldn't even put my camera on because I didn't want you to see me. I look terrible, man. But the whole bell to bell thing, you have gone bell to bell 2 times, Ralph, that I can remember.
Uh-huh.
And I think you're built for it. So whenever you want to do it, the reason why these guys chat a lot in the text, like where you're looking, a lot of those guys come from the other channel where that's all they do is type, type, type. So get ready for that. You just got to read them.
Yeah,
And
I noticed that this morning. I was like, why is everybody getting crazy today? I think it's
because
AMC
we're getting the
GameStop.
chat lit, bro.
Yeah.
We got to get you lit. Again, do you have school today?
Every day.
Good. You go tell them about macroeconomics and you just show them GameStop. Just walk in and say, give me an A.
You
Look
know
at
what?
this.
One day I told my professor, "What do you think about Bitcoin?" He said, "I don't do the Bitcoin. I don't know what that is."
Good.
I'm like, "What?" I'm like, "How are you
He
my
might be the
professor?"
smartest guy.
I'm like,
He
"How are
might
you
be
my
the smartest guy.
Really?
Yes. Cryptocurrency's worth trash. It's zero.
No, but he
Oh
said
my
he didn't
God.
know what that was. I'm like, "How are you my professor and don't know what Bitcoin is?" Like, what the heck?
Uh, no, that's a good point. But maybe he's just a really smart guy. That's all I can go with.
Hmm.
But anyway, I really respect you guys, that keep killing it. I got a raging headache. I think I lost 10 pounds last night in my sleep. Just
Ooh,
sweating, shakes. It was really bad. My
you feel
wife says I was
exhausted,
just
huh?
moaning. Yeah, drinking water doesn't work. Nothing works. My mouth is dry. This is the worst I felt. I want to dive off a bridge.
P
So,
Pedialyte.
um, oh man, you know what? You're so right.
Got a
How can I go to this? I can't even drive. It's crazy.
Uber
But
Eats.
the whole family has it, right? And I'm talking about all five, the kids, mom, me, and I don't even know who's taking care of who at this point. I don't. It's crazy. But I'll get back to you guys in about give me like 3 days. Maybe I'll feel better. But I'm gonna try to go today. Maybe I'll get really jacked up tomorrow and be like, yeah. But I don't know. GameStop to the goddamn moon, and I'll see you guys.
Yeah, man, get some reps. Get some reps. Hopefully, you feel better. Electrolytes. GameStop. Once GameStop hits 250, you're gonna feel better. You'll feel alive.
No, once you buy GameStop, I'll feel better.
If we buy right now, you're gonna feel alive.
Dude, I'll wake up like Frankenstein. I swear to God.
Is Robert on here or is he on the Discord? Oh, he's still on here.
No, I'm on both.
Oh,
I'm just listening. I'm letting you guys talk. I was just replying back to Full Metal.
Ragnar should do a backflip and you'll feel better.
Oh man, I'm trying to do double backflips after seeing Matthew Kors for Collusion. But Ravenstown made a really good point, and that's why I listen to Ravens a lot. You can't get these small time guys. Like they're just 200, 300,000 people that they talk to, whatever it is. But who really cares what this guy says? That's the way he's approaching it, right? I would love for somebody to come give him the clamps. Just take away his channel. Same thing with TMI. This guy, I have 2 backup channels. I'll call out everybody. I don't mean to do that on your show, Ralph, but you know how I
No,
feel
do
about
it.
these guys.
Do it, bro. This is a
Yeah,
freaking free
bro,
speech.
I
I don't
hate
censor
these
shit.
5 crotchless dudes. I can't take it. And if I ever see them, I swear to you, dudes that the review dork, I can't even get over it, dude. I told you, Humpty Dumpty, skip leg day. That's that guy. But man, these guys all claiming they're traders now, and they're pumping every stock that you can see out here. I'm just prepared for GameStop to go to the damn moon in the next week. We're at 8 days away from earnings, 9 days away from earnings. I am so excited. I just don't know what's going to happen after, but I'm excited for everybody. So we're all averaging up at this point because this is a rocket. I love it.
No, I'm still averaging down.
It's interesting to see the channel history on some of these people. Like they went from like reviewing freaking products to pumping stocks. That's one thing I've noticed.
Oh, I
Uh,
looked at his whole channel. That guy was reviewing laptops, talking nonsense out of nowhere. He's a stock expert. And I go, get the hell out of here, bro. And it's just that way.
Full Metal. I have some Lucid by the way for long term.
Oh, God, I'm getting out of here, guys.
Lucid, but
I'm getting
Lucid's
out of
been
here.
hitting the fan. Lucid is not doing good. They have no deliveries. We're still waiting for this. The
They
deliveries are
have
supposed to come out in
commercials, though.
April. They have
They
commercials.
have commercials. Hey, guys, take care. I think I'm going to go throw up a little bit, but I'll see you.
Did he just get cut off?
He hung up.
Oh,
I
okay.
do believe.
Cut myself
Oh
off.
no.
Cut
Oh,
myself. Bye, guys.
Bye.
have a good one. I'll see you get better. When Morans gets banned, I'll stop by here to figure out what's his new channel. If Godpill didn't get banned, Morans will never get banned.
That's no joke, because Godpill was just out there threatening to kick everybody's butt, this, that, and I mean, come on, you can't do that. But yeah, oh. All right, so what are we looking at? GME and AMC?
Oh yeah. Hey, I thought AMC was gonna break to a new high right here. Well, GameStop did though, 222.
Yeah, and it'll probably go back up because, like I say, some of those DDs over on GME are really impressive. And I started looking into it, and the peaks were right dead center of the closeout and new contracts periods, and it's amazing the peak to peak fell right in the middle of those contract periods as far as closing out and reinitiating.
SAVA, baby! 58! Sorry to cut you off, and I gotta get high.
No,
58.80.
no,
I knew it.
no,
I'm telling you, 60 today for SAVA. I'm telling you guys. Going to 60, baby. Did you guys look at Palantir? We took a look at it yesterday. I actually wasn't interested in Palantir yesterday. We have some resistance at 28. If it breaks 28, I'll probably buy. I'll wait for it to break because it's got rejected there 3-4 times. 59, baby. Let's go. We're so close to 60. See, Tesla had a run up right now. 737. Oh man.
Eric, why do you ask me these things on stuff I've never even looked at?
I was still drinking and smoking cigs when I had COVID. Sat in bed with a
Hey, I
handle of
was.
whiskey, a gallon of water, and a carton of cigarettes.
I was too. I'm gonna die one day. I might as well die doing what the hell I like.
You only live once.
That's right. And so far, I've lived through everything else: smoking and drinking, and coffee and water occasionally, and mostly alcohol. Yeah, hey, yeah,
Water occasionally.
yes, occasionally. Well, I get water in my beer. I get water in my coffee. I'm good with that. That's water intake. I mean, primary ingredient in beer is, guess what? Water.
Options help the MOAS. The gamma
Pretty damn
squeeze.
sure. Pretty damn sure it's the primary ingredient in hard liquors too.
Well, we'll see what happens with AMC and GameStop, man. But I'm gonna be closely watching the SAVA. Zoom is another one I'm actually waiting to buy, and it still doesn't want to crack down to 88. Look at that nasty gap that has to be closed. 330s. We're down to 290s. I'll be patient and wait for 270s. Hopefully I get that.
I have no idea what you're looking
It's funny that beer is cheaper than water. Uh-oh, I got another SAVA alert. SAVA 5936, baby. We're going to hit 60 right now. Come on. Typical truck driver.
Yeah, that's me.
It depends what type of beer you're talking about. Full Metal?
What?
I mean, Rob loves White Claws and Steel Reserve.
Dude, do not even. That is my next door neighbor. He always bring that stuff over. I'm like, oh my God, get that shit out of here.
Boker?
Yeah, Boker loved White Claw. Now he's on to the limon and salt.
Enchilada?
Well, he had one. I ended up having one from when my ex-wife's brother died, and brought it back with me, and been sitting in my refrigerator ever since. But he started talking about how he liked limon and salt alcohols.
I did Kyoto. I bought more. Go ahead. Sorry.
So I gave it to him, and he didn't complain about it. He drank it all, so I guess he liked it. I don't know.
It's good.
The limon salt beers are all right. I didn't know about the gelato, and I wasn't
Try
sure.
which one do I have all the time? The Corona, is it Corona or pineapple one? That one's pretty good. Matt
See,
Borst.
there you go. There you go. Look, Robert Boker. What are y'all talking about?
Oh, the
Pineapple
pineapple Truly.
Truly?
Truly's are disgusting and way too sweet.
Thank you.
White Claws are better than Truly's.
I
Some
wouldn't
beers.
know. I haven't drank either one of those. So
I was in Vegas. Full Metal says, LOL, some beers. My first White Claw was mixed with some liquor. I can't recall. I was in Vegas, so I wasn't paying too much attention. Oh my gosh, Salva's about to hit 60, baby. Let's go. 59.56. It's up 11% today. You think they're
Where
gonna
did you
tank
get
this
in?
sucker back down?
Where did you get in at 60? What was it?
No, I got in high 60s and I bought some yesterday. Some more yesterday to
Oh, so
close.
you averaged down. Okay,
Yeah. My average is like 60 some, 62 or 63.
sweet.
AMC 45. And even then, yeah, it still has, oh my gosh, 59.96. It's about to hit 60 today. I was talking 60 this week and it's about to hit 60 right now. People are talking about ZEV. I don't know what this is. Another EV.
Actually, I think it is.
Electric school buses.
I was looking. Where was I? I was in Yahoo looking at most active or something, and I saw that one. I think.
The bar rate is high. Let's take a look at this on Ortex. See what Ortex says. Lightning E motors. Ortex has been really laggy, by the way. Look at that. There we go. Short squeeze signal was December 24. Their SI. Oh wow, look at the borrow rate. The cost to borrow 123. It's not loading. Hold on, I'll wait for this to load. Let's go back to AMC because I think AMC is pulling back. AMC is indeed pulling back. 45.30s. 30% SI for ZEV. But the borrow rate is literally ridiculous. Cost to borrow max is at 199%. 199. I don't even think AMC's borrow rate was this high. Crazy.
GME never got that high even.
Yeah. I've never seen it like that. 199%. Beers for breakfast, women and children. Jameson on the rocks. What's the flow? I have to go to Yahoo Finance for that. ZEV Yahoo, like Robert likes to call it.
Of course.
Why is AMC they're pulling us back like this? This isn't right. Why are we dumping after having some strong support like this? Let's see the flow.
They're hitting trail stops. People that set up trail stops, they're out there searching. Okay, now next, Eric, you got to look and see basically what. Wait a minute, 73 million out of 728 million. They've got 728 million shares authorized. Outstanding. Oh, good Lord. I'm going to go, no, it's not. I wouldn't think that's a short squeeze potential because that's 650 million that institutionals can get rid of.
720. I can't. My Yahoo Finance is like frozen right now. I can't. I don't know what just happened here. There we go. I'm getting hacked or something, brother. My thing's like really laggy, like super laggy.
Looks like your GDA locked up too, bud.
Yeah, something just happened. Look at this. I'm getting hacked.
Your chart's not moving, but the the sales are moving.
Damn it, Kramer. Full Metal, you bought AMC at 44. Whatever happened to Zomedica? Oh, I hate that stock. Was it ZOM? P as a poop on a stick stock. I don't even know what happened to this stock. What was it? What was the ticker? Zom?
Oh, damn, Boker, really? That happened?
Oh, this stock was hyped up. Look at this. Back down to
Oh,
60.
Zomedica.
I think this was another Wall Street Bets pump, right? I don't remember. Ticker sounds familiar though. I had beer yesterday with Robert. Uh, you got a DUI? I'm assuming you meant.
No, a friend of his that's in AA got the DUI.
Oh, yeah, that was a little weird. Kramer, I thought Kramer was gonna hack us right now or something. Uh, Full Metal City bought what? AMC.
Yeah, his average is 44.77.
Depends when he bought. Right now, did he
Well,
buy
he
it?
up above. He said his average is $44.77 a share. Um, Look, I'm probably a huge bear. Not. I'm probably on the same level as Morant, except I see some play in this. Morant is like, if you don't get out, if you didn't get out when it was 72, then you're basically a bag holder. And if it gets back up there and you don't get out, then I'm going to paraphrase and put words in Morant's mouth, but he basically says it's your own damn fault. I kind of agree. If it breaks 50, I yeah, I would sell off part of it and or all of it, or Rance would probably say you sell all of it. I don't know. He would sell all of his, I'm sure. Me, I would personally sell half part and then ride the rest. I'd try to get all of my initial investment out of it and then let the rest ride for free. That's just me. Um, but yeah, you got to do what you want to do. It's your money, your account.
My stream's really laggy. I don't know what happened. I think it's just lagging for you guys too.
No, the stream is, you seem to be doing okay. I think it picked back up because the chart's moving again. Bless you.
Thank you. No man.
Man, I don't know. Kyoto, you know what? I don't know about that. If it got back up into the 60s and 70s and he's got 100 shares, I think I would actually go ahead and buy a covered put because when it goes back down, he'd be in the money and could sell him for more. That's just me.
Oh, what the heck? Saba hit 62 right now. I just did not get an alert. What? This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Our prediction came true today, I guess. Rob, it's kind of bouncing here. It still has that gap to close, but Saba to the freaking moon.
It's got a lot of room to close that gap. What do you mean
AMC.
morning, Kevin? It's afternoon. I mean, it's power hour. Jeez, where you been?
Here for my daily conspiracy talks. LOL. Are we here yet? Are we there yet? What's going on, Nathan?
Yeah, you're gonna listen to William Williams sit there and say I bought like $1,000 worth of Doge or some crap, man. It'll be just that crap.
William is the Doge father. He's probably like
He is.
the biggest Doge holder here. No? I would assume.
I think he's he needs to be renamed the Doge Father. Yeah.
One beer led to another. Mmm. AMC 45. They're trying to bring it down, man. GameStop falling as well, 215. Oh, so close to a new high as well. I mean, GameStop, they hit a new high, by the way. AMC did not. Oh, Full Metal has 250,000 at 0.002. Moran says I once held 19,000 Doge. You know what my boy did? He had 46K Doge at 4 cents and he sold like at 5 cents. Can you believe that? Right before the run up?
Hey, 2020 hindsight.
He was mad. No, they had 146,000, not 46, 146K at 4 cents. 146K.
Okay, damn. Full
Moran
Metal's
says,
got 250K Doge at 0.002.
see, Moran said the same thing, 4 cents for me and sold at 5. He did the exact same thing. Because at the time, man, it was stuck at 5 cents and the high was like 8 cents. It was on the pullback. You didn't think it was going to go to 70 cents, you know?
All right, William, you can no longer sit there and preach the Doge because Full Metal's got you beat.
Oh, GameStop 214. Stop the madness, Hedgies. This reminds me of the other time I got halted at 250 or 350. Where are you seeing William's chat? I'm not seeing anything.
He came in.
I must be like really behind on the chat. Like it doesn't.
No. When he hasn't spoken since, I don't know,
Oh,
20 minutes ago. But Full Metal's sitting there saying he's got 250K Doge at 0.002.
at that point,
He's
it
the
don't even sell forever. I don't even think it will ever hit that price again.
Yeah, well, see, he's the Doge father.
I'm still trying to get my freaking what was it?
I bet. Oh man, I bet when it hit that 72 cents or 70 cents or whatever the hell it was,
Oh
I
man.
bet he was just like, yeah.
Or the people who bought at 70 cents and are holding still now. Ouch.
No, but I mean, shit. 250K Doge at 0.002 and it.
Pam says
Good
I did the same
Lord,
thing, man.
how
It was
much money
just
did you have in Doge when it was at its high, Full Metal?
yeah. I feel like a lot of people did that too. It was just
Yeah, they
stuck at
held it all the
5.
way.
No, some people sold at 5. Like my boy did the exact same thing. It was just stuck at 5 cents, and I was like, eh. And then you had the May 8th Saturday Night Live with Elon Musk, and that's when that was the peak. Not enough.
Not enough. Not enough money or not enough Doge. Shit, wrong one. That's calculator is what I want.
I just want to sell because I'm starting to hate the AMC community. If they weren't the majority of D-bags, I would write it out, but they're making me want to leave.
Well, let's see.
Just don't even focus on the community. Just focus on the stock itself. You know? Check out Zoom. Yeah, we already did, Marantz. Zoom is don't tell me it's rallying. No, I'm waiting for 270s on this one. I'm patient on this one. This one actually did tank. If you guys are just hopped on right now, this stock tanked. And I don't want to hop in right now. I make the same mistake I did on SAVA by not waiting. So I'm waiting for maybe it'll come down to 270s. I'd rather just miss out on this and hop in and for it to come down and I'm just a back holder, you know? So I'm just to be patient. Because then I'll end up like SAVA having to double down. And this one's finally moving today. We're looking for 60 this week and actually it's 62 right now, so that's pretty good. I'm just gonna learn my AMC lesson and my Nvidia lesson. I'm not holding long term. You had AMD calls too. No, AMD was killing as well. And everyone calling you a shill if you don't agree. That's what happened to me, man. Everyone called me a shill for selling AMC. I'm a hedge fund. I took a check from Citadel. Think about how ridiculous that sounds.
No, you don't. You take your checks from Kramer.
Oh yeah, Kramer pays me.
That's why he always calls
Think
you.
about how crazy that sounds. They're paying YouTubers. The SEC won't even come after people pumping these YouTubers pumping stocks.
I think they will.
Not a show, just a paper hand.
Yeah.
Yep, I take my profits, man. I was lucky to get in Doge in November at 0.003. Bought me 10,000. Cost me $82 at the time. The thing is that you hold.
Yeah, I just did the math on Full Metals. He spent $500 on his Doge, and at the peak he had $175,000 worth. Yeah, 175.
Jeez. I would have probably
Yeah.
sold half at least, maybe. How about that one guy, the Dogecoin millionaire? You know who that is? He bought
No, I
like
don't have.
he borrowed money, I think, from his friends, $80,000 worth of Doge, and then it became into like 2 million at the peak, and he didn't sell one bit, and he lost the 2 million, or just the balance just went down as soon as Dogecoin pulled back to
Yeah, I mean,
like
as long as he's still
800K.
holding the Doge, I mean, it's still worth more than what he
Oh,
paid.
absolutely, he's still up like 800K or like a million
Oh
now, but it was up like 2-3 million at the peak, and he didn't sell
yeah,
one bit. He was on CNBC and all these other YouTube channels too. I also sold my
well,
AMC shares, like 200 shares, got them in January around 5 to 6, the highest 802. Then on 70 run up, bought some GME. Don't even feel bad. I left like what 60, 70 grand on AMC by selling. I had it at $2.50 in December before any of these BS happened. Fortune teller, right?
well, see, Full Metal. That's why you scale out. I mean, everybody that's done this for any amount of times that tells you to scale out. You take a portion, you sell it off. You take a portion, you sell it out. You take a portion, you sell it off as it goes up. That way, you're getting some of your investment back. Now the diamond hands are going to sit there and say, "Robert, you're an asshole. You're a kill. No, I'm just an investor that has been doing this a long ass time."
I think a lot of the trolls are honestly either one, they just started trading, or the two, they're young people, they're young kids. That's the way I see it. The people who are trolling you, calling you paper hands, messing with you are probably they just started in the market, or they're young. They're just like 18, 19, 20 year olds. That there's no like you wouldn't go out there and just be trolling somewhere like that, you know? Like I don't see it. I do not
Uh,
see
you,
it.
you do when that's the age of the internet and trolling and cyberbullying and everything else is, oh well, it's okay.
I paper handed my AMC in the 60s, so I appreciate the popcorn stock. I know I didn't scale out of AMC. I got the F out. You got to sell it to turn it into cash. Absolutely. It's all a paper profit till you actually realize the profit and have to pay taxes, you know?
Yeah.
Till then, it's a freaking number on a screen. That's one thing about stocks. You just see a number, right? You don't, sometimes you forget that value. If you're up like 10K, you don't realize the value of it until it's actually in your account. I think that's just me then. Might be just me.
No, it's everybody. I mean, yeah, it's you can sit there and look at your account and say, "Oh, I'm a millionaire. It's not yours till you sell it. That
Absolutely.
money is just fake money until you sell it. It's about the same as the fake shares we all hold.
No, right?
And if I can turn fake shares into real money, I'm gonna.
All right. We're gonna end the stream here. I gotta go. We're gonna end the stream here, guys. We'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. Oh, it's tomorrow Wednesday, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, beautiful. Tomorrow's Wednesday. We'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully Rob wants to hop on with us. It's always a good time with Rob.
Have I ever said no?
Man, I don't know, man. Maybe sometimes you're busy.
Doing what?
Changing your car brakes last time. I don't know.
No, I've never done that.
I'm telling you.
I pay people to do that.
Well, you went to go change it. You went to the dealer or whatever, and the mechanic and got it changed and whatnot.
I think that might have been a tire, but
You're
I
gonna
could
get a new
still.
C8. You're gonna get the new C8 Corvette if GameStop, does its
Well,
thing.
you and I talked about this. I saw how many of them out here in Canyon Lake,
It's a sign,
and
man. It's a sign from the universe. It's a sign from the
I'm telling
universe.
you, this is north. This is kind of between Austin and San Antonio, and it's a little bitty small town, and it's not really. I mean, there's some money out here, but it's not really known for money, and yet I'm seeing a bunch of C8s. Yeah, there's somebody telling me I need to go ahead and get one when AMC or when GME does its thing. So yeah,
Would you?
yeah, I'm gonna.
You should slap a GameStop logo on there. Just the GME logo on the C8 vet. But
I'm actually giving you that. Are you freaking stupid? Look.
I would do it. I would do it. I would slap an AMC logo on a Lambo. on like the gas cap or something. Think about it. If a stock made you that much money, like if I made like $1 million off AMC, I'm buying a freaking Lambo. Or I'm wrapping the Lambo. Or
What in the
or a custom plate.
in the ticker symbol? Oh, okay.
See the ticker symbol on the plates. GME apes, something like that.
And Roker, you're right. You actually, well, I won't say you drove it more because I've driven it to Oklahoma and West Texas and stuff like that. But yeah, he basically keeps it, keeps the fluids moving in it. He comes over and borrows it on occasion.
Rob wants to get robbed and killed. You think the apes would
So
hate me if
I
I
have
if I wrapped
plenty
an
of
AMC?
weapons that I carry. I have Kyoto. I have plenty of firearms I carry with me. That's not going to happen.
Oh, I know that firsthand. That's true. That's an easy way to piss off the community. Hope we'll see what happens. AMC's nicely recovering here, and GameStop is as well. So we'll see where the day takes us and what price we close at. Hopefully we retest 48. I'm still looking for 50 for AMC, by the way. I still think it's possible. So SAVA, of course, is also doing pretty well. Up 10%. Tested 60s, actually hit 62. So we'll see what this stock takes us. But Zoom, I'm still waiting for this bad boy to come down. Hopefully it comes down. Hopefully by tomorrow, we're like, man, I'm actually glad I waited for Zoom to tank. So we'll see. I'm getting a
It's still just,
Lambo.
oh yeah, it's still just kind of bouncing around, going flat, isn't it?
Yeah, it's holding support. Doesn't know what it wants to do. It's not going up, but it's not coming down. Alrighty, everybody. Hopefully, you guys have an amazing rest of your morning. Thank you, Rob, for hopping on. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Later, guys.
Peace.